Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a filter in Excel so you can just show items on a list that you want to see. So first you'll highlight the range of cells that you want to filter on. Then you go over to Data and you click the filter button. And now you have these down arrow boxes on each of the titles. So you click on that, and instead of selecting all, you can just tell it to show you just Joe's and hit OK. And then it hides all the rows that aren't Joe's. And if we can even filter further by the type of fish, and let's just say flounder, and we can see filter over to this line and it's just flounder. This comes in very helpful. You can also take the filters off by clicking the filter button. Let's put it back on. There's also, if you have a filter on there, just filter it by the date. You can also click the clear to take all the filters off. And so that's how you do a filter in Excel. I tend to organize my data so all the titles are at the top here, and I can just take a full row, click the filter, and then for a time period I can just go to Cajun Grill if I just want to see the month of July. You can do that, and you can drill down into information this way. So that's how you create filters. Thank you for watching.